Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a festive Christmas story for Instagram using 4 photos. It's the perfect way to share your favorite holiday moments and spread some Christmas cheer. Open Instagram and head over to our profile. Look for the highlight called Christmas Story and tap on it. Once you've found the sticker, tap Add Yours. This will open your Instagram camera. Here you have 2 options. Use the collage tool to snap 4 new photos of your holiday decorations, gifts, family, or cozy moments. Or select 4 of your favorite photos from your gallery that capture the magic of Christmas. Once you're happy with your creation, post it to your Instagram story and share the Christmas spirit with your friends and family. Your festive Christmas photo story is ready to spread smiles and holiday joy. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more fun and creative Instagram tips. Have a magical Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.